story about the old oaks, the wisdom of the oaks. It's about the furniture and the nature and sustainability, and also generation meeting generation.
How did you come up with the idea?
It was about how to express and show the knowledge and also the area we are working in around the Baltic Sea, expressing also and showing seniors in another kind of way than we are used to. Not sick and old and tired, but flourishing areas, and also representing from the really young to the elderly, together also with locally produced furnitures.
So what do you think we can learn from the forest and the big old oaks?
What we must learn is to be close to nature and to understand the cycles and also take care of it, because the forest takes care of us. And if we can use the material from time to time, from generation to generation, we also gain a lot back from this. So I think the nature can learn, we can learn a lot from how it's functioning really, to also have generations coming being able to take care of these nice areas.